I made the most delicious turkey mince the other day. It is so quick, weight loss friendly, and whole family will love. I used lean turkey mince, which is around 7% of fat. I had 500 grams of mince and around 20 grams of butter. You can use salted or unsalted butter. Just melt the butter on your pan first. Then simply add your mince on the pan. Mix it well. Now peel your onion. I used one large onion. Now cut your onion in rough pieces. Now you can see that mince fried a little bit on one side. Now I just give it all a good mix and I'm going to add my onions. I really love herbs, so I chose to add some dill, but you can use any other herbs of your choice. So now I am going to chop some pepper in medium to large pieces. If you like this recipe, so just hit the like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next recipe. This mince stew was so delicious and so easy to make. I'm sure you will like it. So now I'm going to add our peppers to the stew and also dill. And once again, I'll give it a good mix. Now I will add some salt. I have the salt flakes, but you can choose any salt. White pepper. I like white pepper, but you can add any pepper of your choice. And again, I'll give it a good mix. And I'm adding a spoon of turmeric. This recipe I cooked for my whole family. My 5-year-old son loved it. All of my recipes are weight loss friendly and they suit for the whole family. And as I say once again, to eat healthy and lose the weight doesn't have to be boring. And finally, I added a little water.